everyone, it's Phil here. Today on the Burnout broadcast, we're going to replace this mirror. So Parker's mirror is smashed. He doesn't exactly know how it happened. He just kind of came out and found it like that. So we got a new one right here. Just the glass is getting changed. We're going to pop it out of that housing. And we'll have the part number for it in the description too. This is a 2018 F-150 XLT Sport. It's going to apply to 2015 to 2020 F-150s with these conventional mirrors. The process is all the same, and even on my 2011, it's very much the same process. So let's get into it here. The way that I would start is I'm going to bring the mirror back like that. There's a series of clips on the back that need to be popped off in order for the mirror to come free from the housing. So it's best to move the mirror as far upwards as possible. Perfect. Now I can actually see. So this one being broken just popped right off. But on here, it's a series of small clips that go behind this lip here. And that's what holds it on. But on this one, since it was broken, it came off fairly easily. And then these two wires here for the heated glass, as well as the electrical connection to the switch on the door. So we'll have to remove those and plug them into the new one. These ones are going to be a pain to get off simply because they have some corrosion on them. On mine, they were damn near impossible. Yeah, see that one, the whole thing came off. But since this is broken, it doesn't matter. There we go. So now I'll grab the new glass. Look at that. There is no metal clip on this one, so we'll have to reuse this one. So there's a black tab right in the center, which you have to push down with the pick to let the clip free, and then it'll slide right out like that. And then on this one, it just sort of grabs that metal like so, and then it's in there. And on this truck, this clip isn't populated.
That clip fell on the ground when I came over and found it, and I didn't feel like grabbing it.
And it will be getting replaced at some point. We just don't have it with us at this time. So now we're going to reconnect the electrical connections. They go on real nice now. Okay, so now that that is in place and connected, putting this back on this circle, I find it easier to have the mirror about centered or so. And then with even pressure, once it's lined up, push it in. And then I'll bring it up as far as it'll go and look underneath just to ensure we got all the clips on the bottom side attached. Hard to see, but those two are good. Those two are good there. Those ones are all good. It's going to be harder to see. Looks good to me. Bring that back to a more respectable spot. And we'll take this right off. That's all within tolerance, a little bit of rock like that. So that's basically all there is to replacing the mirror glass on these Ford trucks. What do you say, Park? Now you have a mirror. I'd say for around here, it's a win.
I'd say that's true too. Now, for more informational videos, we should be doing my headlights pretty soon if they are indeed broken. So definitely subscribe and like our channel for more content such as this and for more shenanigans.